Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we are looking at AWS Budgets, which is a service that helps you plan service usage, service costs, and instance reservations. I like to think of it as billing alarms on steroids. And when you use AWS Budgets, each budget costs about 2 cents per day. Okay, and you have up to a limit of 20,000 budgets, but the first two budgets are free of charge. So if you have an AWS account, you definitely want to go ahead and create yourself a couple of budgets, okay? All right, so we're looking at AWS budgets here in a little bit more detail. And so the idea here is that you can set up alerts if you exceed or are approaching your defined budget. There are three types of budgets you can create. You have cost, usage, and reservation. Okay, so cost is where you're just plugging in a dollar amount there. Okay. For usage, it's going to be based on a usage unit. So you could choose something such as EC2 running hours, and then you're going to supply whatever the unit is. So that's going to be hours in this case. So here I've supplied 100. And you can track budgets based on monthly, quarterly, or yearly levels, okay? And so just if you set it for a year, then that alert is really going to be designed to be delivered at the end of the year, okay? For reservations, that is for reserved instances, and AWS Budget supports EC2, Redshift, RDS, and Elastic Cache, okay? Now, when you are defining your budgets, you can define them based on a fixed cost, or you can plan it up front based on your chosen level. So you could say for the next 6 months, you could say for this month, I want to spend this, and for this month, I want to spend that, et cetera, okay? And if it was quarterly, you could say what you want those budgets to be for those quarters, okay? You can also easily manage AWS budgets via the dashboard, and they also have an API. So if you need to do something pragmatic, you can definitely do something there. And normally you'd get notified by email, but you could also have the notification sent to Chatbot, okay? So for Chatbot, that is a newer service for AWS. It integrates with common services such as Slack or Chime. So those your budget information can be pushed out to there, okay?